Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you some stunning piece of jewelry in forming, also known as 1 gram jewelry. Let's have a look at a design. As you can see, the finishing and the quality of the necklace is top notch. You can see the cuttings on the necklace and the latkans. Also you can see the patterns of flower and leaf on the necklace. Also with that you will get the matching earrings with it. This amazing piece is available for 1250 on our website. Let's move on to the other designs. This is the second design. As you can see, the necklace, it's very beautiful. The pendant on the necklace, it's big and beautiful. Also meenakari work has been done on the pendant, as you can see it, and flower design on the earrings as well, and meenakari work done on it. The price for this necklace is 1375, listed on our website. This design has a very beautiful flower work done on it. As you can see, the beautiful sunflower design at the center of the pendant. Also mesh work done on entire necklace and meenakari work done on the pendant as well as on the earrings at the center, as you can see it. This beautiful necklace is available for 1375 on our website. Let's move on to the other design. This is a very beautiful piece of necklace. As you can see, a flower design on the center of the necklace with AD stones in nano setting embedded on it. Also at the center you can see a very beautiful stone, and on the necklace you can see the cuttings and the design on it. You will also be getting matching earrings with it and AD stones embedded at the center of it in nano setting. The price of this beautiful piece is 1490, listed on our website. And the last piece of this video, it has an amazing work of AD stones embedded in nano settings on the necklace. You can also leave the flower and leaf design all over the necklace and the cuttings on the necklace. It's unparalleled beauty. You will also be getting matching earrings with it. The price of this beautiful necklace is 1450, listed on our website. To purchase these amazing necklaces, you can visit our website www.nirvilifestyle.in, and you will find this amazing necklaces in the section forming necklaces or 1 gram jewelry. Thank you so much.